Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your Archos Core 101, for the first you have to go for your clock. You can find it right here. Then go for the alarm and activate one of the default alarm, and we can go and customize. So we can set up the days, we can change the hour, of course, the most important thing. And of course we can add the label. Click OK. And of course we can change the ringtone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.